Hello, this is Solving Equations, Rewriting Equations, Example 3. And here they have a triangle, and the area of a triangle is base times height, but you have to divide by 2, which is the same thing as multiplying by 1/2. And Anyway, they want us to solve this for h. So right now it's solved for a, but that's not good enough. They need it solved for h. And then we're going to use it to figure out the height when the base is 14 and the area is 64.4. So let's get started with this. I've got area is equal to 1/2 base times height, and we have to get this as h equals. The book just continues with it the way it is, and it gets h on this side equals. I find that my students have an easier time with it if they just rewrite it. 1/2 base times height equals area. Okay? Now I've got the h on the left side, and I can get h equals. So we got to take care of this 1/2 and the b. So to get rid of the 1/2, I'll multiply by the reciprocal. That's 2, and I'll get b times h equals 2a. And now I'll divide both sides by b. The b is multiplying the h, very similar to this. The 2 is multiplying the x. So to get x equals, I have to do 6 divided by 2. So I'm going to do divided by b and get h equals 2a over b. And that's the answer. Now this is a pretty confusing problem, really. You may not know what to do with that 1/2, so you might say, well, I'm going to do this, I'm going to rewrite it as 0.5 b h equals a. And now I'm just going to divide both sides by 0.5 b and get h equals a divided by 0.5 b. Well, believe it or not, that is also a correct answer. Here it's multiplying by 2, but multiplying by 2 is the same thing as dividing by 0.5. Now, if you don't believe me, we can try it. Let's see. I'm saying multiplying by 2 is the same thing as dividing by 0.5. So let's do it with 24. 24 times 2 is 48. So let's try 24 divided by 0.5. 24 divided by 0.5 equals 48. So anyway, now we have to use this formula to figure out the height when the area is 64 and the base is 14. So we would say the height equals 2 times the area. So that's 2 times 64.4. Well, let's see, that's 128.8. Divided by the base. The base is 14. So 128.8 divided by 14. And that's 9.2. So the height is equal to 9.2 meters.